Good morning students. In previous video already we have completed the introduction part of genetics. In this video we are going to see why Mendel selected the pea plant for his hybridization experiment. Why Mendel chose the pea plant for his hybridization experiment. First of all, okay, I will give the 2 or 3 characters regarding to an introduction part also. Here Mendel conducted artificial pollination or cross pollination experiments. For this artificial cross pollination experiment purpose, he used here several true breeding plant. What is meant by true breeding? For example, capital T, capital T. Capital T means tall plant. It is a true breeding tall plant. Here there is no involvement of other type of the genes. Only this is a true breeding tall plant. This is true breeding dwarf plant. True breeding dwarf plant. True breeding means genetically pure the given trait. A true breeding line, one that having undergoes continuous self-pollination several generations, shows a stable inheritance characters are expressed several generations. For that crossing purpose, Mendel choose the which type of the characters. Use always two parental plants. What type of the plants you choose for that crossing purpose? He used always two parental plants which are true breeding and make a cross in between male and female plants. Mendel selected 14 true breeding plant varieties. Actually, that 14 true breeding plant variety, 14 true breeding characters are present in the form of pairs. That's why as a pairs, which were similar, except for one character with contrasting traits. Later, I will give the one of the table. During the return, you can clearly understand the how to these 14 characters are present in the form of pairs. Later you can clearly understand by seeing the table. Actually, here some of the contrasting traits selected were. Here some of the contrasting traits selected were. What are the contrasting traits? Smooth. First one is smooth and wrinkled seeds. Smooth seeds, wrinkled seeds. Next one, yellow and green seeds. Next one, smooth and wrinkled pods. Smooth and wrinkled pods. Smooth and implanted pods. Next one, green and yellow pods. Finally, tall and dwarf plants. Some of the contrasting traits selected were. Mendel selected some of the contrasting traits. What are the contrasting traits? Smooth and wrinkled seeds. yellow and green seeds, smooth and implanted pods, green and yellow pods, tall and dwarf plants, tall and dwarf plants. This is Mendel selected the contrasting traits. Later, contrasting traits studied by Mendel in pea plant. Here, which type of the contrasting traits studied by Mendel in pea plant? Later, I will give the one of the table. In that table, you can clearly understand that the 14 true breeding plant varieties. Right. Before we are going to see this table, now I will give the one more point regarding to Mendel. That is also known as Mendel. Mendel was great plant breeder. Great plant breeder or a true breeder. True breeder. Mendel was a great plant breeder or a true breeder. He started work on 34 varieties. First of all, Mendel started work on how many varieties of pea plants? 34 varieties of the pea plant. Then reduced it to 22 varieties. Finally worked on 17 characters, 14 traits, 7 characters or 14 traits or 14 true breeding plants. 14 true breeding plants. This is also one more point regarding to Mendel. Mendel started the work on 34 varieties of the pea plant, then reduced it to 22 varieties. Finally worked on 7 characters or 14 traits or 14 true breeding plants. Next one. Mendel selected 14 true breeding plant varieties. That 14 true breeding plant varieties are present in the form of pairs. How to that characters are present in the form of pairs? In this table, you can clearly see that pairs. First of all, serial number 1. Stem height. Character means stem height. These are also nothing but contrasting traits or allomorphs. First one is the stem height. Stem height dominant, tall. It always represented by capital T. Next one, recessive character, that is also known as a dwarf. It always represented by small t. Here, actually, in pea plant, the diploid number of the chromosomes is 14. Diploid number of the chromosomes in pea plant is 14. Actually, in pea plant, the stem height characters located on which chromosome? In pea plant, the stem height characters located on which chromosome? That is called fourth chromosome. This is one character. This is actually one character. Next, second one is flower color. Violet. The violet color flower represented by V, capital V or capital W, capital W. Here the violet color flower represented by capital V over capital W. This is white. It represented by small v over small w. Located on which chromosome? That is also known as located on which chromosome? That is also known as first chromosome. First chromosome. This is second. This is second. Next, third one. Flower position. Flower position. That is also nothing but axile. Axile. Otherwise, axillary position. The axillary positions of the flower is represented by which symbol? Represented by which symbol? That is called capital A. Here, there is also recessive character. Recessive character terminal. Recessive character terminal. Terminal characters are represented by which symbol? Small a. Small a. What is meant by axil? Axil. For example, this is one plant. This is actually one plant. One plant. The flowers are developed at the axillary position. The flowers are located at the axils of leaf. The type of the flower is called, the type of the bud is called axillary bud. Axillary bud is developed into flower. That type of the flower is called axillary flower. Otherwise, that position is called axillary flower. Next one, the flowers are developed on terminal position. This is called terminal. Flower position, axillary, dominant, terminal, recessive. Located on which chromosome? Fourth chromosome. Next one, fourth one is pod shape. Fourth one is, that is also known as pod shape. Pod shape means that is also known as imploded. Represented by capital I. Next one, constricted. Represented by small I. Located on fourth chromosome. Here, what is meant by inflated and constricted? What is meant by inflated and constricted? Pod means that is nothing but kaya in Kannadadalli kaya. For example, see this one. This is one pod. This is actually inflated pod. This is actually inflated pod. This is actually inflated pod. Here, this is also known as constricted pod. This is also known as a constricted pod. This is an inflated pod. This is a constricted pod. In that constricted, as you see this one, this is one constriction. This is also nothing but a constricted pod. Next one, fifth one, pod color. Fifth one is called pod color. That is also known as pod color. Green, represented by capital G. Next one, recessive color. Yellow, represented by small g. Located on fifth chromosome. Next one, sixth one is, that is also known as seed shape. The dominant seed shape is round. Represented by capital R. The recessive seed shape wrinkled. Represented by small r. This is actually round shape. This is nothing but wrinkled seed. Round seed, wrinkled seed. here located on 7th chromosome. 7th chromosome. Next one more, last one, that is also known as here seed color. Seed color. The dominant seed color is yellow. It represented by capital Y, capital Y. Recessive, that is also known as green, green. Here that is also known as small y, small y. Here located on first chromosome, located on first chromosome. This is also known as, here Mendel selected 14 true breeding plant varieties as a pairs. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many pairs is 7 pairs. How many characters is 14 characters. Mendel selected 14 true breeding plant varieties. This is 14 true breeding plant varieties as a pairs. As a pairs. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. 14 true breeding characters are present here. Next, one more important point regarding to this table. One more important point regarding to this table. Actually, here the 7 characters are present on 4 chromosomes. Here 7 characters are present on 4 chromosomes. Here 7 characters are present on how many chromosomes? Totally 4 chromosomes. 4 chromosomes. That is 1, 7, 5, 7. 1, 4, 5, 7. 7 characters are present on 4 chromosomes. What are the 4 chromosomes? 1, 4, 5, 7. Next point. Mendel believed that 7 characters present on 7 different chromosomes. 7 different chromosomes. Mendel believed that 7 characters are located on 7 different chromosomes, but BLIXT Blixt proved that 7 characters are located on 4 chromosomes. Mendel believed that 7 characters are located on 7 different chromosomes, but Blixt scientist proved that 7 characters are located on only 4 chromosomes. That 4 chromosomes are 1, 4, 5, 7. 1, 4, 5, 7. First of all, here first chromosome. First chromosome. This is color. Okay, color. This one now, if you clearly observe the first chromosome, this one is first chromosome. This one is first chromosome. What is that one? Here, flower color. Second one is seed color. First chromosome. Actually, 2 characters are present on first chromosome. Which type of the characters are located on first chromosome? Flower color, seed color. Second one, that is also 4th chromosome. In that 4th chromosomes, Totally 3 characters are involved. Totally 3 characters are involved. What are the 3 characters? What are the 3 characters? What are the 3 characters? First one is, see this one, first one is stem height. Stem height. Next one, flower position. Flower position. Flower position. Next one, here pod shape. Pod shape. Pod shape. Here 3 characters are located on one chromosome. That chromosome name is nothing but 4th chromosome. On the 4th chromosome, see the 4th chromosome, stem height is located on 4th chromosome. Flower position located on 4th chromosome. Pod shape is located on 4th chromosome. Next, one more point. One more point. Next one, look at 5 chromosome. 5 chromosome. 5 chromosome only. That is also nothing but pod color. Pod color. Pod color. Next one, 7th. That is also only 7th. Only seed shape. Seed shape. Seed shape. Here, this is 1st chromosome. This is 4th chromosome. This is 5th chromosome. This is 7th chromosome. 7 characters are located in only 4 chromosomes. First 4, 5, 7. Okay, this is also known as here maximum almost all information regarding to contrasting traits selected by Mendel. Contrasting traits selected by Mendel in pea plants. What type of the character selected Mendel for his hybridization experiment on the pea plant? These type of the characters are selected by Mendel for his hybridization experiment. Next, one more point. Here, one important point. Actually, here stem height represented to vegetative character. Stem height represented to vegetative character. Vegetative characters. Character. Remaining 2. Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here remaining flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape, seed color represented to. That is also known as a floral character. Floral character. Characters. Or are reproductive characters also. Here stem height represented to vegetative characters, remaining all characters are represented to floral character. This is also one of the important point regarding to your Mendel selected pea plant for his hybridization experiment. Next one. Next one is advantages of selecting garden pea plants by Mendel for his hybridization experiment. Advantages of selecting garden pea plant by Mendel for his hybridization experiment. First of all, why Mendel chose the pea plant for his hybridization experiment? Here, so many advantages characters are present in the pea plant. Okay, now what type of the advantages characters are present in the pea plant? Now we are going to see that the advantages characters of a pea plant. First point, it is a annual plant. It is an annual plant that are well-defined character. Well-defined character. What is meant by annual? Yes, for 3 different types of the plants are present. Annual plant, biennial plant and perennial plant. What is meant by annual? The plant completes the life cycle within 1 year. That is annual plant. The plant completes the life cycle within 2 years. Biennial plant. The plant completes the life cycle more than 2 years. That is called perennial plant. Here that is a pea plant is nothing but an annual plant. Next one. Second point. It can be grown and crossed. easily. It can be grown and crossed easily compared with the remaining plants. Pea plant is, the growing of the pea plant is very easy and the crossing of the pea plant is also very easy. Next one, it has bisexual flower. It has a bisexual flower that contain both male and female sex organ. Both male and female sex organ. Both male and female sex organ. You know that bisexual flower. Here, one flower, it consisting of both male and female sex organ. It is also one of the advantages point of here pea plant. Advantages of pea plant. Next one, it can be self-fertilized conveniently. It is very easy to for that self-fertilization purpose. So purity of character. So purity of characters maintained here. Maintain here. This is also one more point. It is very easy to self-fertilization conveniently. Next one. It has a short life cycle. Short life cycle. Approximately the pea plant grown 2 to 3 months. Approximately the pea plant grown 2 to 3 months. In between 2 to 3 months, the plant produces a large number of offsprings. That's why it has a short life cycle and produce large number of offsprings. This is also one more advantageous characters of a pea plant. Next, one more point. Here, easy to perform artificial pollination, artificial cross pollination. Easy to perform artificial cross pollination. Here, artificial cross pollination. So hybridization can be made possible. Actually, due to the presence of these type of advantageous character, here for the advantageous character, perform the artificial cross pollination is very easy. Finally, so hybridization can be made possible. Finally, here easy to cultivate. Finally, that is also mentioned. It is easy to cultivate. Next, one more point that is also known as, here one more point that is also, it has many contrasting traits. Here, due to the presence of these all type of advantageous character, Mendel chose the pea plant for his hybridization experiment. That's why Mendel chose the pea plant for his hybridization experiment. Definitely, so many advantageous characters are present in that pea plant. Otherwise, why Mendel chose the pea plant? Due to the presence of these all type of advantageous character, Mendel chose the pea plant for his hybridization experiment. Mendel conducted the monohybrid cross, Mendel dihybrid cross. There is no one cross. Mendel following the not one cross for that identifications of monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Mendel following the many number of the crossing techniques are also following in between two pea plant. Finally, Mendel find out the monohybrid different types of the crosses. This is okay, here okay, one more information, some more information regarding to okay, here Mendel pea plants. Thank you all of you.